crowd platforms are actually providing what I call low friction matching at scale, which you've seen on other crowd platforms, right? Uber is basically, 5 million drivers who have cars that are being matched with people that need a ride, right? But that matching is very specific, right? It's very local. It's who's available right there, can get to you fastest, get to you at a low rate, and with high trust, I like to point out. I don't know if you remember when you first heard about Uber, but everyone I know, the first thought that they had was, there's no way in hell I'm getting into a stranger's car. That's crazy. And if you noticed, Uber built up that trust. So it's low friction. I punch a couple of buttons and suddenly I'm in a car, and then I leave the car and I don't worry about anything, right? I don't have to pay anybody, even though it's really happening. Same with Airbnb, right? I'd never go sleep in a stranger's house. Nope, that trust has been built. Now everyone uses that like it's nothing, right? This same thing is happening for all of these crowd platforms. But what you're matching on the innovation and open innovation world is you're matching the best solution for what's going to solve my problem, what's going to get me that 100x. And you're doing that in a way that the algorithm is actually something different than a software algorithm in a lot of cases. It's actually going to be a contest. So we work with a bunch of curated communities, right? And Assist to Develop is actually one of those communities. And for a lot of people, I have to explain what these communities are. You guys actually know, but it's a two-sided network, right? It's a website platform typically that has drawn in members from around the world that have a passion. So you guys, similar to GrabCAD, right? You have a passion for mechanical design, and you're learning from each other. You're connecting with other people that have that passion, and it's really about you and your development and opportunities, right? But there's another side, and that's customer facing. And the idea here is that these communities are able to find that win-win that helps the community develop and have opportunity and to make money or to learn or to connect with people, but also can deliver solutions for organizations.